Hello, this is a tutorial on 5.5 BE. We're going to be multiplying mixed numbers here. So let's get started. Well, to multiply mixed numbers, you're going to have to make these mixed numbers into fractions. So we're going to go 2 times 12, which is 24. 24 plus 7 is 31 twelfths. Now the other one is a fraction, so we can leave that at 8 twelfths. You can multiply straight across if you want and then reduce. I'm not a big fan of reducing. I'm going to do it the easiest way possible. So I'm going to divide this side by 4, which is 2. I'm going to divide this side by 4, which is 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. I can't do anything with 31 and 12. So now I can just multiply across. 31 times 2 is 62. 3 times 12 is 36. So I have 62 36. That's an improper fraction. We have to put it back into a mixed number. So we can just think about it this way. 62 divided by 36. It's obviously going to go in there one time. You can subtract it out. 12 minus 6 is 6. This is a 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we have 1 and 26, 36. Well, we can reduce those both by, divide those both by 2, and we could get 26 divided by 36 is going to be 13. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So 1 and 13 eighteenths. Now, I'd like to show you a faster way to do that. Well, we did divide this way, correct? However, we can also divide up, down, too. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. See how that got us to 31 eighteenths, which is half of this, which would have put it in a better spot there. So the reason why that worked out that way this time is because this is not in simplest form. So I could have reduced that up front too, but you can reduce. So you can reduce this way, you can reduce this way. You can also look here and here and see if you can reduce. All of those things will make it simpler for you. This one here, number 4, let's do that. Let's just start off by saying, hey, 8/10 can be reduced down to, divide that by 2, it's 4. Divide this by 2 is 5. So we're going to reduce that right away to 4/5. Even before we make it into an improper fraction. That's going to help us here. So let's go ahead. So this one here is in simplest form. So 2 times 10 is 20 plus 7. So this is 27/10. And this one here is 1 times 5 is 5. Plus 4 is times 9/5. Now, we haven't got anything there we can do. There's nothing. There's no common numbers between 9 and 10, and there's nothing common here. So this is just going to be old-fashioned hard work. 10 times 5 is 50, and I'm going to have to go up on the side and multiply 27 times 9. Well, think about this. 27 times 10 is 270, right? So if I subtract 1 times 27 times 1, I just subtract 27 here, that would be the equivalent of 27 times 9. It's just a little bit faster. So 10 minus 7 is 3. This is a 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. So that would be 243. So it's 243 fiftieths. Go on up here and divide 243. Divide by 50. To simplify that, well, it's going to go in there 4 times, which is 200. And have 43 remainders, so it's 4 and 43 fiftieths. Now, challenging, right? Let's do one that's a little bit easier. This one right here. 2.5 times 2.5. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So this is 5 halves times 5 halves. Again, we can't reduce this way, we can't reduce this way, there's nothing top and bottom. So we multiply across, 5 times 5 is 25. Oops, 25, 24. 25 fours. We divide 25 divided by 4. It's going to go in there. 5 times. It's going to go in there 6 times. Sorry about that. 25 divided by 4 is going to go in there 6 times is 24, and there'll be 1/4 left over. Let me just double check my answer. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25 fourths. Yeah. All right. Good luck on it. Go ahead and get going on that. Those are challenging problems.